Hello, friends, and this week I'd like to share the hymn, O Master, Let Me Walk with Thee. It's going to be in the key of G because it's just a bit easier on my voice. And these are the chords you need. You need the G chord, pretty standard. You need the C chord. You need D. And then you need D7, and I'm going to cheat a little bit and just use the last finger here. I think the standard way is to do a bar chord, but I know that's a bit hard for beginners. So that's D7, A minor, and an A major. Okay, let's work through the first verse. Now this hymn is in triple time. We're going to use this very simple strumming pattern, down, up, up. O Master, let me walk with thee in lowly paths of service free. Tell me thy secret, help me bear the strain of toil, the fret of care. Now grab your song sheets and we're going to play through all 4 verses once through. Service free, tell me thy secret, help me bear the strain of toil, the fret of care. Help me the slow of heart to move by some clear winning word of love. Teach me the wayward feet to stay and guide them in the homeward way. Teach me thy patience still with thee in closer, dearer company, in work that keeps faith sweet and strong, in trust that triumphs over wrong, in hope that sends a shining ray far down the future's broadening way, in peace that only thou canst give with thee, O Master, let me live. And that is O Master, Let Me Walk with Thee. Again, a beautiful hymn. I definitely felt ministered by it this week. Hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. See you next time.